Get off the grid and power up your home appliances during a blackout with the SJ1440SG indoor-outdoor portable inverter generator from Sunjo. This fuel-free portable powerhouse is perfect to power small household appliances and electronics during electrical outages, or to use for power tools, tailgating, camping trips, or anywhere power's at a premium. Powered by an internal sealed lead-acid battery, Sunjo's gas-free, maintenance-free, fume-free, and perfectly safe for both indoor and outdoor applications. No tangled pull cords or late-night trips to the gas station in a storm. Just pure, clean, reliable power at the push of a button. Plug in your computer, power up your phone, internet modem, TV, lamp, microwave, and other small household appliances into the 2 USB ports, 2 outlets, or 2 auxiliary cigarette lighter outlets. Jumpstart your car, power up your tools, household appliances, lights, and more. The built-in large roller wheels and transport handle will keep you rolling wherever portable power is needed most. With continuous output of 1440 watts, Sunjo provides the power you can count on so you can stay safe during most electrical outages with up to 180 hours of runtime for your home alarm system. To brighten up the storm with up to 15 hours of runtime for a 60-watt light bulb. Or stay connected with up to 750 hours of runtime for your cell phone and much more. When Sunjo runs out of power, simply plug into a 120-volt wall outlet for up to 24 hours for a full charge, or let the sun provide the power to store while you're away from home with the optional solar panel add-on, sold separately. Equipped with a 4-inch LCD display system, Sunjo makes it easy to monitor input, output, and battery level for precise power and control at your fingertips. So don't let the next storm leave you in the dark. Plug in, power up, and go with Joe. The SJ1440SG indoor-outdoor portable inverter generator from Sunjo. Get equipped.